or you may want to transition to yourself. So you may want to go to your peak state playlist and listen to some music that's going to get you motivated and inspired. That's a good time. And then you come back and you do another activity. Hey everyone, it's Coach Kalu here. In today's video, I want to address something that's going to be a little bit out of my not comfort zone, but out of my element. I've got a couple of my clients and some good friends of mine have reached out and said, listen, now that I'm working from home, how do I navigate the working from home piece? Meaning I have kids, I have dogs, and I have work to get done. How do I actually work with that? Like, how do I get my kids into control and all that other stuff? And so I heard a lot about kids. Now, I don't have kids, at least, okay, no, I don't have any kids except for a little fur baby. So I can understand there's moving pieces. And so I'm gonna make an attempt to try to help you out there, for those who are trying to navigate working from home, either with someone there or also meeting kids or your spouse or partner or what have you, and dogs and all that other stuff. So I'm gonna make attempts, so don't hold it against me. So here's the thing. My understanding is kids and human beings, as far as kids and parents, that's the human beings I'm talking about, but kids really need structure. So something I did in a previous video as well as in a blog I wrote, and it said it's about getting into routine. So as you're trying to make this your new normal, try to get into a routine, and the routine includes kids. So how do you make sure from your perspective you're able to give time to your kids, give time to your business, give time to yourself, and give time to your significant other, girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, doesn't matter. Here's the best thing. I would say plan out your day. And you're probably gonna have to plan it out with a lot of transitions. This is something I talk a lot to my clients about. How do you transition your time? So you're gonna have either key items that happened at a certain time during your day, and then you wanna transition, so do something completely different before you do something else. So here's what I mean, for example. So say that you start your day with going through emails, right? So you're just gonna go through emails, you're gonna see what you have on your plate, and then you're gonna respond to certain emails. Just do that one activity. Then you're gonna do phone calls later on. Transition before you do phone calls, meaning take maybe 10-15 minutes and play with the kids. Maybe that's the time, because kids are great with 10-15 minutes. They don't need hours, right? So that is probably a good time for you to transition by playing with the kids or playing with your dog or going for a quick walk outside or something like that. Then you get back and then you do your phone calls. And after your phone calls, if you're gonna go read documents, prepare a proposal, or all this other stuff, transition again. So then you maybe have some quality time with your significant other. Maybe that's a good time for you guys to break and talk about us, right? Or you may want to transition to yourself. So you may want to go to your peak state playlist and listen to some music that's going to get you motivated and inspired. That's a good time. And then you come back and you do another activity. The thing with transitioning is it allows you to stay at high productivity. It increases your motivation, and it keeps you at a level that makes sense for you to focus on the next thing at hand. When your kids or your partner knows that you have these transitions, they know, and they'll be way more patient with you because they know their turn is going to come. This is what's going to allow you, in my humble opinion, for you to be able to give everybody what they need, give yourself what you need, give your business, your company, whatever, what it needs, so you can be highly productive and focused throughout your day. So those are just my tips. Let me know if that works or not. I think your kids will really appreciate it. If you're talking about activities to do with your kids, I don't know if I'm your guy, because if COVID-19 wasn't around right now, I'd tell you to drop your kids off at my place. Love play days with kids, right? So anyway, hopefully that helps. Coach Kalu here. I hope you're healthy and safe, and please share with me your comments. What do you do for your routine? How do you navigate between, life, business, kids, dogs? You tell me.